Hello everyone, I am Richa GAUR from Quick Maths. Exercise 9.5, question number 2. Use the identity x plus a, x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab to find the following products. We have to find the product of all these 7 parts, but while using the identity. What is the identity here? X plus a, x plus b. It is in the form of product and it can be written as x square. A plus b means sum of a and b plus product of a and b. So in these cases we have to determine a and b value just, then we will do first sum and then product. So according to this, first part is, in first part it is x plus 3 and x plus 7. Now in this case, what is A? A is 3 and B is 7. And how can we identify this, that it is the fourth identity? It is very simple. In both the brackets, the first term must be same. As we can see here, the first term is x in both the brackets. So first term is same and second terms are different. In these cases, only the difference between the first identity and this fourth identity is first term will be same in both the brackets, but the second terms must be different. If second term is different, we can see here first in first bracket the second term is 3, in second bracket the second term is 7. So it is A and it is B. So first of all we have to identify A and B. So it is A, it is B. So according to this, the formula is x square plus sum of A plus B into x plus product of A and B. So we will do the sum of them and then product of them. So it will be x is same, x square plus sum A is 3 and B is 7. So sum of them plus product of both. Product means A is 3 and B is 7. So it will be x square. Now sum of them is 10x plus product of them is 21. So this is the required algebraic expression. This is the required algebraic expression. It is very quite simple. Now in second part, second is 4x plus 5 and 4x plus 1. In second part we can see the difference. Now first term of first bracket is 4x. First term of second bracket is also 4x. So the first terms are same in both the brackets, but the second terms are different, 5 and 1. So obviously we will utilize the fourth identity. So what is x? X is 4x. X is 4x. So I can write it here. Here x value is, in place of x, it is 4x. Now what is A? A is 5 in first term and B is 1. So it is of the form x plus A and x plus B. So x square, same solution, plus sum of A and B into x plus product of AB. Now we have to put the three values here. The value of x, the value of A, the value of B. So what is the value of x? 4x. So 4x square. A value is 5 and B value is 1 and x value is again 4x plus A value is 5, B value is 1. Now 4x square means 16x square because it is the square of 4 also, whole square. So 16x square. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 multiply 4, 24. 24x plus 5 1 the 5. So this is the required algebraic expression. Now come to the next one. Next is third part. Next is 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 1. just a while. 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 1. So it will be here 4x minus 5. This is the third part. We can use yellow pen. And 4x minus 1. Similarly, if we identify a and b and x, then x is 4x here. What is the value of x? Value of x is 4x. Means in place of x, we will write 4x. What is the value of a here? Slight different. Now a is not positive, a is negative, a is minus 5. What is the value of b? It is minus 1. So in this, a equals to minus 5 now, because in our identity it is x plus a, x plus b. It is not minus. So if minus is in the question, then we will use the minus sign along with the a. So a is minus 5. And what is b here? B is minus 1. And in place of x, we will write 4x. So the answer is x square, a plus b, sum of a and b, and product of this a and b. Now, in place of x, we will write 4x because 4x is here in place of x. A value is minus 5, b value is minus 1, and x value is 4x. Plus a value is minus 5, product of minus 1. So it will be now 4x whole square. 4 square is 16 and x square. Now in this case, minus 5 minus 1, same sign means addition. So same sign means addition. 5 and 1, 6, and 6 along with 6, the sign will be of higher number. Now higher number is larger, greater number is 5. So 5 along with 5, there is a sign minus. So we will write minus 6. Minus 6 into 4x. Plus, now in case of multiplication, the pair will be cancelled out. Sign minus will be cancelled with the minus, because in the case of multiplication, minus minus, if there are number of minus are even, then there will be a pair and they will cancel out each other. So 5 1 the 5. So it will be 16x square. Now 6 4 the 24, 24x along with minus sign. So it will be minus 24x plus 5. So this is the required algebraic expression. So in this case, in third part, all the parts are same, all the parameters are same, just a and b becomes negative, because here 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. So you will place the negative sign in a and b. Where we were using positive, here we will use the negative sign. Thank you. Now, come to the next part, fourth one. 4x plus 5, 4x minus 1. Now, using yellow color, 4x plus 5, 4x minus 1. Here, x is same. X is, we will use the 4x instead of x. So what is the value of x here? It is 4x. Now what is the value of a? A is 5 and b is minus 1 here. So here a is 5 and b is minus 1. One is positive, one is negative. So similarly, the answer will be x square, sum of a and b, and product of a and b. So x, instead of x, we will write 4x in place of x. So 4x square plus value of a is 5, but value of b is minus 1, and value of x is 4x, plus a value is 5 and b value is minus 1. Now 4x whole square, it will be 16x square plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 multiply 4, it is 16x. Now 5 1 the 5, and in the case of multiplication, because it is a multiplication, I can write it as, just a minute, it is multiply with minus 1. In the case of multiplication, if minus sign is single, not in pair, so it will come in the answer, means minus 1 raised to power odd will be minus 1. So it will be minus 5 under 5, and along with minus sign, it will be minus 5. So this is the required algebraic expression as a solution of part 4th. Now come to part 5th. In 5th case, it is 2x plus 5y, 2x plus 3y. Now, x is 2x. What is the value of x here? It is 2x. 5y. Now, I will highlight with the white color. This one, this is A, 5y, and B is 3y. So, in this case, the value of A is 5y and the value of B is 3y, and instead of writing the x, we will write 2x. So, answer will be x square A plus bx plus AB. Now, we will put the values, replace x with 2x, it will be a 2x, A will be 5y and B will be 3y, and here x is 2x plus A will be 5y and B will be 3y. Now the answer is 2x square, means 2 square is 4 and this is x square. Now 5y plus 3y, obviously it is 8y. 8y multiply with 2x plus 5y multiply 3y. I can write here as a multiply. Just a minute. We can write here the sign of multiply. So it will be 5y multiply 3y. So 5 3 the 15. Y the means y multiply y 2 times. Y is being repeated twice, 2 times. So power will be added. So it will be y square. Now 4x square plus 8 to the 16. X and y are not like terms, they are alike terms, unlike. So it will be x and y, and this is 15y square. So this is the required algebraic expression as a solution of part 5th. Now come to the part 6th. 6th is 2a square plus 9 and 2a square plus 5. Now in this case, what is the value of x first of all? X value is 2a square. This is x. This is x. X is same here, so we will use the fourth identity. And what is the value of a? A is 9 and b is 5. So here x value is 2a square and a value is 9 and b value is 5. So we can write the expression as x square plus a plus b, sum of a and b into x plus multiply a and b. Now x square, x value is 2a square. Now it must be known to you people that x value is 2a square. So just value of x is 2a square, but in the first term it is the square of x. So it means it is the square of x. So it will be a whole square. Just put the value of x 2a square, then make it whole square plus a plus b. A is 9 and b value is 5 and x value is 2a square plus a and b. A value is 9 and multiply b value is 5. So it will be, it is, I can write here also, just a minute. We will utilize this space. So here, this is, we will continue here. So 2a square and square means first of all 2 square. 2 square is 4. Now it will be a square and then its square plus 9 plus 5, it's 14. 14 to the 14 multiply 2, it's 28. 28 a square plus 9 5 the, it's 45. So it will be quite easy. 4 is here. A raised to power 2 into 2, power of power. So a will be 2 multiply 2, that is 4 plus 28a square plus 45. So this is the required algebraic expression we have obtained from part 6th. Now come to the last part of this question, that is 7th part. In 7th part, x, y, z minus 4 and x, y, z minus 2. In all these questions, you can have an idea that in first bracket, the first term is xyz. In second bracket, the first term is xyz, means the first term are same in all the both the brackets. So it is of the form of fourth identity, where first terms are same but the second terms are different in both the brackets. So what is the value of x here? Value of x is xyz, xyz. What is the value of a? A is minus 4. Along with its sign, it is minus 4. What is the value of b? B is minus 2. So in this case, a value is minus 4 and b value is minus 2. So we will write as x square plus a plus b, sum of a and b into x, and then product of a and b. Now x, write the value of x. X is xyz and square of it, plus write the value of a. A is minus 4, b is minus 2 and x value is xyz, plus a is minus 4 multiply b is minus 2. Now here it is x, y, z square, x square, y square, z square, square of all are unlike terms. So x square, y square and z square, plus minus 4 minus 2. It is a case of addition because same sign add, we will do the addition of this. Same sign means addition. 4 and 2, 6, and sign of greater number. Greater number is 4 means minus 6. So it will be minus 6 x, y, z. Now plus minus is minus. Just a minute. Yes. Plus minus is minus. Now plus. Minus 4 minus 2. It is a case of multiplication. Don't get confused in addition and multiplication. In multiplication, we will count the number of signs. Minus sign are even. 2. There are 2 minus sign. The number of minus signs are even. It is in the form of pair. So we can cancel it out. These will be cancelled out. So 2 for the 8. So it is just 8. So answer will be x square, y square, z square minus 6xyz plus 8. So this is the required algebraic expression as we have got in the case of 7th part. So we have finished the second question completely. Still, if you have any doubt, if arises in your case, then please let me know in the comment section and I will try to reach it soon and will repeat the question for you people. Thank you so much.